Alright guys, going to slap this on. I'm using a shit Sony camera because it just keeps focusing and acting the maggot. But anyways, there's your PC. Now, the only wee problem is it's not eligible for Windows 11. It's currently running on Windows 10. It's just a matter of security BIOS, both tiggy jiggies, and unfortunately these RAMs aren't eligible either, which is kind of sad because I love them, but just a matter of changing things. So yeah, years ago the PC shit the bed. Well, not shit the bed, but the hard disk drive shit the bed, and had to remove that. And it was just on its SSD drive, which is only 256 GB, not worth a shit. So yeah, seems that I'm going to start vlogging videos and stuff. I'm just bloody Snapchat. But anyways, I'm going to slap this hard drive on, and I'm going to slap on some videos and editors and all sorts of stuff. Now, funny enough, this PC was first built in 2011. Yeah, it's going really well, and some little updates there in about 2016. I think I put the big box, big PC case into a small case. This is 2011. Like this is old as the hills, brand spanking new at that time. Everything's going really well, so I'm very proud of it. This computer was well ahead of its time, but that was all made by me, so I'm really pleased with the way it's going on. Very reliable, except the Seagate hard drive packed up, so that's what happened really. Whoa man, I did not expect this. It's tiny. That's for a laptop. I was expecting a big full-sized hard drive that I was going to cram into it, but I'm sure it's going to still work anyways and save a lot of space, so yeah, whatever. Yeah, I pulled the faceplate off, but not sure where to put it. There's your shitsong main drive. See, what I'm worried about is this is all exposed, and I'm going to need some kind of bottom plate for that. Yeah. Well, she's fitted. Send it. It's alive. And it's trying to sell me something. So, stop focusing, camera. Right, I have to do something to get this to appear, so. Legend! Thank you! Yeah, this guy here. Watch this guy, he's brilliant. So anyways, how did I do this now? So you go to this PC, you right click to manage. I'm just looking through the phone there, so yeah. There, disk management. I'm the manager. And then, what was it? Oh yeah, unallocated or something like that. And you go through all these steps. But anyways, he is brilliant.
Terabyte storage drive. And that's all there is. We got a 2 TB hard drive in here.
Blah blah blah, going through all this, click this, click that, so on and so on. So she is ready to go, and I just renamed that. I think it was a new volume, and it's on. Yep, nice. Actually, I could rename that system reserve thingy majiggy. So nice, brilliant.